The DevOps project aims to close the gap between today's and future's skills demands of municipal workforce, by emphasizing on the exploitation of emerging employment paradigms. Its mission is to develop job profiles for smart cities DevOps professionals. DevOps project is an Erasmus Plus project and it has been funded with support from the European Commission.
Competence description. According to United Nations Economic Commission for Europe and International Telecommunication Union,
a smart sustainable city is an innovative city that uses ICTs and other means to improve quality of life, efficiency of urban operation and services, and competitiveness, while ensuring that it meets the needs of present and future generations.
With respect to economic, social, environmental as well as cultural aspects, this module explores the theme of the sustainability of smart cities by analyzing the methods to measure it, monitor it and improve it. Learning objectives. The learning objectives of Smart Cities Sustainability module are the following.
Understanding of equality and diversity, inclusivity and social cohesion.
Developing trust and sense of community.
Developing responsible citizens.
Understanding and practicing group decision-making.
Ability to see the bigger picture.
Commitment in developing sustainable picture.
Knowledge of ecological and circular economy approaches.
Competence content. The competence content is divided in the following units.
Introduction to Smart City Sustainability.
Monitoring Smart City Sustainability.
Improving Smart City Sustainability. In the first unit, the concept of sustainability is introduced, examining the different aspects involved in urban areas. The second unit introduces some methods to measure the degree of sustainability of a city through the use of multiple indicators and combinations of them with the aim of monitoring its progress over time. This third and final unit introduces sustainable urban planning and illustrates how to implement a process for assessment and ongoing improvement. Need for smart cities sustainability. Sustainability in general is a priority for all nations, societies and smart cities, since we all have realized needs arising from climate change, urbanization. Many definitions are available for sustainability. Sustainable development is development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. A smart sustainable city is an innovative city that uses ICTs and other means to improve quality of life, efficiency of urban operation and services, and competitiveness, while ensuring that it meets the needs of present and future generations with respect to economic, social, environmental as well as cultural aspects. Sustainable city. There are three facets of a sustainable city: social sustainability, environmental sustainability, economic sustainability. What is sustainability measurement? When all city services are effectively delivering outputs to support all city programs, sustainability is at a sweet spot where quality of life is being maximized for city residents. Quality of life is one measure of the long-term sustainability of the city. Sustainability is most commonly referred to as meeting the needs of the current generation without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. This definition makes a lot of sense in an urban context. Any sustainable city needs to determine how its citizens can thrive, while it also ensures that the needs of the next generation are met through education, investment in infrastructure, cultural and community development, and environmental protection. This means balancing the burden of current taxation against investment for the benefit of future generations. Existing guidelines for measuring sustainable cities. City stakeholders use data to make decisions about where to deploy resources, how to develop a policy, whether to start, change or stop a program, what options to offer or withhold from people, where to live, move or work, how to spend time and money, how to form an opinion about an issue, where to lend support. Different types of data are needed to enable stakeholders to make different types of decisions. Improving urban sustainability. The dominant theme emerging from debates of the challenges faced by European urban society is the need to improve upon its sustainability, in all of its complexity.
To better understand how we can create economic growth and social and economic equality, vibrancy and accessibility, within carefully defined and measurable environmental limits. The core issues at hand are
enhancing our understanding of the complexity of urban sustainability in the nexus of economic, social, environmental issues,
providing a framework to assess and monitor urban sustainability,
identifying and quantifying the levers that influence sustainability and its constituent factors as well as the interrelationships between them,
preparing and testing context-specific transition strategies,
providing tools and methods that support cities in this decision-making process, as well as to support the implementation of the most promising strategies,
taking advantage of new data sources, the opportunities provided by big data and their potential for urban decision-making and governance. Competence learning outcomes. Upon completion of this module, the learner will be able
to define sustainable city concepts,
to understand aspects and problem areas of urban sustainability,
to be able to measure the sustainability of cities through use of key performance indicators,
to define major steps of the roadmap of environmental sustainability and resilience,
to propose methods to improve the sustainability of a city,